Let's learn how to pronounce the correct sound of the alphabets. A, A. You're going to open your mouth wider in horizontal way and then you will pronounce your sound while your tongue would be resting at the lower end. A, A, B, B. Close your lips, squeeze them inside and make the sound. B, K, K. Your tip of the tongue would touch your front lower inside and you're going to pronounce the sound K, K. Maybe the back side of your tongue would touch your upper teeth while making the sound K, D, D. Your tip of the tongue would be at the back side of your upper teeth and then you will pronounce the sound D, A. You're not going to open your mouth wider, you will keep it normal and you would say the sound A while your tongue would be resting A. This is the basic difference between A and E, that you open your mouth wider while saying the sound of A. And then you are going to, if you're going to say the sound of E, you will not open it too much wider, you will keep it at normal. Squeeze your lower lip inside like usually we do while whistling, and by blowing sound out, you will make the sound G. Your tip of the tongue is touching your back of your lower teeth and then you are going to make the sound G. Open your mouth wider while your tongue resting down and take out the air out of your throat. Blow it out and say eh, eh. Your tip of the tongue is resting down, and while your back of the tongue is touching your upper teeth, by putting a little bit stress on your jaws, pronounce the sound eh. Mostly people pronounce it like E, but E is not correct sound. E and H maybe could serve the sound, but separate E couldn't make the sound of I. So its original sound is eh, j, j. You will keep your tongue amongst your teeth, upper and lower teeth. You will squeeze it inside while saying out the sound j. Your tongue will not move. J, k, k. Your tip of the tongue is at the back of your lower teeth. You are going to pronounce it same as we did in C. Remember, C and K are having same sounds, k, but we use them at different occasions. L, l. Your tip of the tongue is slightly in the center of your upper and lower teeth, and then you will pronounce the sound l. Mm, mm. Will close your lips, squeeze them tightly, and then by closing them, you will make the sound mm, mm, mm. Your tongue would touch at the back of your upper teeth. You will put a little bit pressure and your nostrils will get open and then you are going to make the sound mm, or just make your mouth round and then pronounce the sound or while your tongue is in the air, it's not touching any part of your inner mouth. P, p. Close your lips, squeeze them inside, hold them, and then release the air outside and say the sound p, qu, qu. Your tongue is slightly moving back to in between your upper and lower teeth, and then you will put a little bit stress and make the sound qu. Mostly people pronounce as ku, but ku is the sound of qu instead of q. While it's the fact that Q will never come alone, it will always be followed by U. R, r. Your tongue is on center of your upper and lower teeth. Your front jaw is bit open, and you will glide the sound out like air going out. R, s, s. Your teeth are closed, mouth is open, and you will say the sound like whistling. The air would come out. T, t. Position your tongue at the back of the upper teeth, and while pronouncing the sound, you will bring your tongue down towards outside. T, ah, ah. Open your mouth wider, keep your tongue up, and then say the sound ah. Mm, mm. Squeeze your lower lip inside, hold it, and then make the sound. Your upper teeth would touch your squeezed lower lip. Wah, wah. You will squeeze your whole mouth inside. You will hold a position for a second and then you will release it and will open it, say it sound. Wah. Ks, ks. Keep your mouth slightly open. While pronouncing the sound, you're going to close your teeth and your tongue will move forward. Ks, ks. Your teeth are closed, you're putting effort. You will keep your teeth
onto your
closed.
teeth
You will put a stress at
and
your
making the
back
sound
and of your
by
jaws
closing your
onto your
upper and
tongue,
lower jaws
and then
tightly.
you're going to pronounce the sound. Zzz, zzz. Your teeth are closed, your tongue is touching your lower teeth while you're making the sound, and you will take out the sound from your throat. Zzz. The same like vibration sound. Zzz. Teach your kids phonics in this way, and it will enhance their abilities of reading. If you're going to apply this technique to the students who are facing difficulty in speech, it will also show you positive result because the positioning of the tongue would help them to pronounce the sound accurately. So if you like it, please do subscribe and share so it would not only helpful for you and me but also for those who are still struggling in learning phonics.